87th again one Malayalam piece is ready. Next month we are releasing the movie. And 98th one we are producing one Tamil movie with Bhagat Fazil and Vadivel in lead roles. So then only people left 2 more movies. So hope to releasing this year and next year. All happened because of your full support, because of all your support. Davanam. This is totally, I made this because Supercompany films we used to make only family-oriented movies. So this is Balachari. I only introduced him, some 15-20 years ago. So he wanted one more time, so without hearing any subject or anything, so I fully believed and I gave him this movie. I think he improved himself with this picture. And I have not seen this movie so much, but I heard songs and all the songs are very, very good. So, congratulations, Charan. So, happy to introduce Charan, because in our